sa amin dito sa acoustic, live acoustic. And baka may mga marunong kumanta dyan or mahilig kumanta, you can jump with us. Alright, ngayon habang wala pa tayong isang request or jumper, we'll give another cover. Yan, baka may mga sinaselebrate din kayo ngayong gabi, any occasion like birthday or anniversary, okay, may hiyang magpabati sa amin. It's run out of dreams. So you party all night. to the music light, but you don't know what happiness means. I was dancing in the dark with strangers who were around me, and suddenly you found me. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything to me, everything to me, oh girl. Anything good, tell me spot, that's what you care. So put it in mind, and together we collide as the highest star. I'm living a life a minute, we're together, stay right here forever. Oh, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything I need, everything I need. Oh. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. Everything I need, everything I need. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. Everything, everything I need. Alright, so it's just from Air Supply, every woman in the world. Thank you na rin sa bahalawa na pa tayong jammers. Once again, kung gusto nyo makijam sa amin dito sa acoustic, pwede po. Huwag kayo mahiya. understand the little child. beside the man. Please remember, my life is in your hands. And run, hold me close to your heart. However distant, don't keep us apart. After all, it's written in the stars. Cause you sorrow and pain. So let me tell you again and again and again, I love you, yeah, and forever. I love you. Woman by John Lennon. Yeah, once again, baka naman gustong makijump sa atin, huwag kayong iiyak. And happy Thursday, everyone. Thank you so much for spending your Thursday here at Fernando's Resto Bar. And we're on our second set. Yan, sana ay magstay kayo hanggang ang final set. So habang wala pa tayong jammer, we'll give another OPM song.
Hati
ako'y nangailangan. Iyan ka lumapit sa akin. Ibigyan mo kaibigan ko yung liwanag sa dilim. Lumapit ka kaya sa akin nang ikaw ay maitanay sa kalayaan ng ligaya. Kahit na tayo na ako'y magtiwala sapagkat ngayong gabi ako ay mahiwaga. LSC River Maya. Yeah, once again, baka may gusto mo kay Jam, ha? Huwag kayo mahiya, please. Here's another song by Bamboo. Side. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm an Englishman in New York. See me walking down Fifth Avenue, walking here at my side. prices for a gun. Fight your enemies and hold them when you can. Gentlemen who walk never end. But let's make it meant that someone said that he's the hero of the day. Takes a man to suffer ignorance and smile. Be yourself, no matter what they say. Be yourself, no matter what they say. Oh, I'm a alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. I'm an Englishman in New York. I'm an Englishman in New York. Greetings always from Bamboo or slash Sting and Englishman in New York. Yeah. Good evening once again sa mga bago natin ating kasama dito sa Hangout Restaurant Sports Bar. Yan. Yeah, wala kaming jammer pa, so baka mamaya meron na tayong nakitang gusto makikijam sa atin. Hayaan mo na sila mag-settle down yan at nag-order. Alright, once again, we're only on our second set. We hope you stay with us until our final set. Once again, pag may mga sinaselebrate kayo ngayon. At pwede kayo magpabati. Yan. Any jammers from our guests? Yeah, huwag kayong mahihiya. Alright, habang wala pa, I will give another opening. Pati ang thesis mo, huwag mo lang patayin. palitan lang natin ang baterya. Sound, yun. Nag-lobat yan. Sound, check the sound. So. Alright, once again, baka may gusto makikanta sa amin dito sa stage. Yan, huwag kayong mahihiya. Or any song request na kaya natin kantahin yan. PM habang wala pa tayong jammer. Baka gusto mo na makijam, Mami. Mamaya. Mamaya, sige. Yeah. Yeah, once again, you're listening to the Sweetman Acoustic every Thursday here at Fernando's Sports and Resto Bar. Please like our page. Yan. Sweetman Acoustic. Kinukulay ng isipan, pabalik sa nakaraan. Huwag mo nang balikan, patuloy ka lang masasaktahan. Di nagkulang kakaisip sa isang magandang larawan. Paulit-ulit na binabanggit ang mga nakasanayan. Ayo'y tinatag ko, ngunit hindi tinadhana. Sadyang mapaglaro itong mundo. Tinalimutan mo di nahihirapan para sa sariling pagpakanan. Tinalimutan Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan para sa sariling kapakanan. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan pag-ibig na ating sinayan. Pinagpagpo ngunit hindi tinadhana. Nandito na lang tayo. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan para sa sariling kapakanan. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan mga oras na hindi na mababalikan. Pinagtagpo ngunit hindi tinadhana. Puso natin ay hindi sa isa't isa. So much. We're going to be our last song sa aming second set. So please don't go away. We'll be right back sa aming final set. Yeah, hopefully may makijam na sa atin sa ating final set. Alright, so last song. Things go wrong when the sin of Lagos temptation's gone. Hope of hidden by you. Some things looking better, baby. Just passing through. It's gonna be a long, long time. The touchdown brings me round and get you fine. I'm not the man they think I'm not at home. Oh no, no, no. And this is what I should listen. Well, I thought it might again. Some things looking better, baby. Just passing through. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. The touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I'm not. I know, no, 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 no. And this is what I should listen. Well, I thought it that I keep it. Cold heart, hidden by you. Some
Mukhang lata. Tiniplang. Teka nga, timplahin ko. Music. Music. Desa na po ito.
Sound check. 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 Sound check.
I don't kick it with these niggas 'cause they talk about you.
Sound check. Sound check.
If I don't make me spark it out you. Yeah, keep it in my back pocket like
Sound check. Sound
But
check.
she suck it like a jelly.
Sound
She
check.
it up and put up with the whole project. And she got that paddock on water moccasins. I'm rich in real life, I get that profit copy.
She can get a taste. Let you get a taste. Do you love a taste? Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me. LA, you can get a taste. Miami, you can get a taste. Oakland, you can get a taste. New York, do you love a taste?